I've made over $2.5 million with this particular method, and I'm just going to show it to you. And the reason why a lot of people get stuck when they're trying to build income online. Now, first you have to understand that there's two types of businesses out there, right? There's the hard business that a lot of people actually start, unfortunately. And then there's the easy, aka lazy method. And I'm going to show you the difference, right? So with the hard style of growing a business, there's generally a lot of moving parts. That means there are tons of things that you have to kind of put together, which is very difficult for most people. That's why a lot of people fail. Another reason is most businesses are really expensive. If you think about, drop shipping or Amazon FBA or starting an agency, there's a lot of costs behind starting these businesses, which is why a lot of people can't start them. They're just too expensive. You need $10, $20, $30,000 to start, right? So unless you have that in your bank right now, you're not going to be able to start these businesses. Then a lot of them have, again, too many areas to focus on. You have to specialize in this area, then marketing, then getting clients, then servicing them, and then, finding the products, flying to China, doing so many different things to get the whole business together, which is why it's difficult. And because of that complexity, most people can't actually get into profit. And then talking about profit, a lot of these businesses, because they focus on selling physical stuff, actually, the profit margins are razor thin. That's why you have to sell volume. So it's difficult for you to do very, very well with, I would say, a lot of the online business models that you see out there, right? But I like to do it, in a different way. The easy way, aka the lazy way. It doesn't mean that you don't have to do any work. We just have to make sure things are more aligned so that it's easier to make money, okay? So what are those things? So first of all, we need it to be simple. All right, we can't have it too complex. If it's too complex, it's going to be difficult for people to succeed. Next thing is that it needs to be affordable so that the majority of people can actually have the chance of starting that business, and it can't be too out of reach. If it costs like $30,000 to start, $20,000 to start, $50,000 to start, who's going to start that kind of business online, right? So it's got to be affordable. And the business I'm going to show you can literally start on a couple of $100 a month, which is bonkers. That is insane. I mean, there's no other business I know out there that costs a couple of $100. You want to start like a McDonald's franchise? That's $500,000 to $1 million just to get the franchise, okay? If you want to start like a hair salon, $50,000 to $100,000, $200,000 to start, because you have to do the renovation, you got to do so many things, get all the equipment, you got to hire staff, pay salaries. It's very, very expensive to start businesses, but this business is affordable, okay? The nice thing as well is once you get everything set up, you only have to focus on one thing, and I'll show you that one thing. And this is how I made, over $2.5 million from this particular business. And again, the reason why I made that $2.5 million is because there are high profit margins with this particular style of business, okay? So what is this lazy business? It's selling other people's digital products online, okay? Now, let me show you how this works. I'm at ChatGPT right now, and all I just typed in was top affiliate networks in the world for digital products specifically, not physical, digital, right? And it says, if you're focused on digital, online courses, SaaS, memberships, coaching programs, and software, which is all considered digital because you consume them directly on your computer or your phone, right? Well, these are the networks that you can go to, for example, to find these products to sell. Digistore24, ClickBank, PartnerStack, Impact, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Awin, CJ Affiliate, and there's so many more down here that you can look for. This is just a small amount, but there's 10 or 15 more that you can go to find great products. And the reason why it's such a simple business model is because you don't even have to create your own products. You can resell other people's digital products. There's lots of creators, companies, entrepreneurs that have created their own digital products, and you can literally just refer them to other people. So the secret here is learning how to become a good middle person, okay? So that you can resell other people's digital products. And the way that you do that is you build a simple sales funnel that looks something like this, okay? So all you would do is it would be a series of pages like this, which, by the way, I will show you, in a lot of detail how to do this in my free masterclass below if you want to check that out, right? But essentially it looks like this, where it's basically a simple video. There's a headline, there's a little video that's 5 or 10 minutes long that teaches people a little bit more about the particular thing that they want to learn about. So if you're selling a SaaS software, you teach them a little bit about that SaaS software in that specific industry. If you're selling dog training, right, like a dog training membership or course, you teach them a little bit about how to solve the biggest dog training problems in every single piece of video that you're sending them, right? So this is one, but you can create like 20 of these and drip feed them to people over time once they're inside of your sales funnel. So this is really the secret sauce, right? To get people to know, like, and trust you. And then all you have to do is you have to get people's attention. You have to get people to find you. And the way that you can get people to find you is on some of the big social platforms, like, for example, Instagram right here, right? So if I go to my Instagram right here, let me just show you. right? I'm creating content every single day that educates my particular audience on doing digital business, on making money from home, on selling digital products, right? Instructional, entertaining, motivational. They find me and then they come through my sales process, and then that's how they get to know, like, and trust me. And then I recommend them a product, they buy, and that's how I generate a commission, right? So Instagram is one of the ways. Another way is to use TikTok. So this is my TikTok channel, one of them. I've got a few. And literally I'm doing the same thing, right? Just uploading content on a regular basis, one or two every single day, and people find them. They come to my website right here. They go through the same process. And then it's the same for Facebook, right? So this is my Facebook account. You can see I've got almost 300,000 followers. I started with 0. Okay, I built this up over the last year really, really quick. If you understand how to do this stuff, I'm just posting content on my channel. People are finding them, they're liking them, they're commenting, they're sharing. And when they share, more and more people will find my content. They come to my bio and then they can get access to my funnel and my website right here. And this is the reason why this business is so much simpler, because all we're doing is, after you have picked your products right here, after you've built out your sales funnel right here, all you really need to do every single day is just focus on content, okay? Uploading content onto the big social platforms like Instagram, like TikTok, like Facebook. You can also create faceless content. There are faceless websites like Arc Ads, like InVideo AI, like HeyGen, where you can create faceless content as well. It's the same thing, but essentially what you're doing is you're leveraging big social platforms to get exposure. You're using that consistency to get those views, and then once you get those leads, people are coming through your platform right here, right, your sales funnel, and then they're purchasing, right? So it's not a super complicated process. Once you've built all these things out, you're literally just focusing on one thing. You're creating content every single day, and it's really the consistency that will allow you to really come through and generate a lot of income this way, right? Now, the reason why it's lazy is because once you've set this up, 80% of it is automated. All your emails are automated. Your selling and telling through your sales funnel is automated because you've already created it, right? So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to touch it anymore. The only thing that you have to do really is create the content, okay? Now, you can't be lazy. Unfortunately, you can't have a 100% lazy business where you don't have to do anything, because there's no way you're going to generate millions if you don't have to do any work. With all businesses, you're going to have to do some work. But if you compare it to some of the businesses that we spoke about earlier, like these businesses right here, I mean, lots of moving parts, expensive, too many areas to focus on, complex, low profit margins. This is why most people don't make any money. What we want to do, again, is to keep it simple, affordable, focus on one thing, which is marketing only, high profit margins, and this is how you get to hundreds of thousands and millions online. So if you want to build a powerful, successful, profitable business this year, I recommend that you build this business and no other business. All right. So if you want to learn step by step how to do this, I actually show you inside of my masterclass, right? You can get access to that for free just by clicking on the link in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because every single week I come up with content like this, teaching you how to become more successful with digital products, generating more income online using the power of the internet. See you soon.